very serious about what you're talking about.
What do we know about the opposition? I mean, have we been tracking them for the last 2 years? I mean, it seemed like, and this is more of an impression I have as opposed to any exact knowledge, but it seems like initially the opposition was maybe more Western-leaning, more moderate, more democratic, and as time has gone by, it's degraded, become more infiltrated by Al-Qaeda. Is that basically true, or to what extent has that happened?
No, that is actually basically not true. It's basically incorrect. The opposition has increasingly become more defined by its moderation, more defined by the breadth of its membership, and more defined by its adherence to a democratic process and to an all-inclusive, minority-protecting constitution which will be broad-based and secular with respect to the future of Syria.
Secretary Hagel,
that's very critical. Let me just finish. One other point about the opposition. It's my understanding, because I talked to the president of the opposition yesterday, he's in Germany now. He's meeting with the German parliament. He is coming to Great Britain. He'll be meeting with the parliament in Great Britain, and he is prepared to come here as soon as those meetings are over in order to meet with you, and you can have an opportunity to talk to President Jarber and meet with the opposition, have a much better sense of who they are.
We'll appreciate that. Secretary Hagel,